Assalamualaikum, good morning everyone. Today we are having a forum session on topic Does Quality Control Circle give positive or negative impact in organization? With me, I'm Dalala Fitrani binti Daim as your chairperson. Basically, Quality Control Circle, also known as Quality Circle, is a group of workers who meet regularly in order to identify, analyze and solve work-related problems. These group activities can include any number of employees ranging from various levels in the working hierarchy of an organization. Before we go further, let me introduce to all of you about our panel, starting from Aini Sakinah binti Muhammad Azari, a HR director, coming with her assistant director, Fateh Nuraisha binti Zulkifli. On the other side, we have HR manager, which is Alifah Ilyana binti Muhammad Hairi, and her assistant Aini Fatihah binti Azai. Moving to the left, we invited the HR staff to be first together, which is Nurul Huda Sabila binti Salbani, Muhammad Aidil Zulfahmi bin Aziz, and also internship student Nur Mirza Fatihah binti Hashim Ten Singbao and Muhammad Shazwan bin Abdul Hamid to share their opinion as well. Without wasting our time, my first question to our first panel, Aini Sakinah, can you mention to us about the advantages on Quality Control Circle in workplace?
Thank you for the question, Ms. Chairperson. First thing first, moral is confidence and the discipline of a person or groups to maintain belief in goals. However, employee moral is the attitude, satisfaction, and overall outlook of employees of their communication with an organization. Me, myself, as a human resources director, I have to take the responsibility that falls in my leg to hire a good people, to hire a good employees, and to create a good space where my employees can feel confident to perform at their very best. Moreover, when employers and employees always practice a quality control circle, I think they will get various of advantages from it, and one of them is they can boost their employees' morale, and also they can ensure the quality of their employees is controlled. In addition, with the morale of employees increase, they can invest in building trust between managers and employees, between different departments, trust with each others, and also trust between customers and employees. So I think this is very important. This employee morale is so important as it will provide effective encouragement in employees themselves, and also even small gestures of them. So that's all from me. Thank you.
From what of Aini Sakinah have said, now we know that Quality Circle can really help with employees' morale and confidence. Right, my next question is to Fateh Nuraisha. Is it true that Quality Control Circle can improve quality and productivity in an organization?
Thanks to our
Can you
chairperson.
explain it?
Yes, I do agree that Quality Control Circle, also known as QCC, can improve quality and productivity. Based on my experience, Quality Control Circle is more about improving quality and productivity in the workplace, and that is actually an advantage. The reason why I say it an advantage when practicing Quality Control Circle in the organization, because through this it will be designed to achieve more effective and efficient work process, such as making work easier, smarter and faster than before. Next, it also related to the quality of output or service to improve the performance of the organization or department and reach the worth of employees. From this advantage, it also can make Quality Control Circle are shown to be extremely effective in bringing quantum leaps in service quality, operating efficiency, and process effectiveness alongside organization and employees. Lastly, I think it can make organization more competitive through improving the quality of the product or service, and to improve the organization's abilities to meet the customer needs through continuous improvement of the process. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you for the explanation, Fateh Nuraisha. To make more our forum flare up, Alifah Ilyana, you as a HR manager, can you share with us your opinion on having a quality circle in an organization?
Thank you, Chairperson. I'm Dalaila. As I'm working as a HR manager for a few years, I totally think that the quality circle will lead to a positive outcome to the organization if we are having a good communication with each other. Communication is important in life, especially in the organization itself. My opinion is we need to always make sure that you are trying to improve your communication skill day by day to achieve the vision and mission of the organization. Everyone need to communicate with others well. That is what quality control circle impact, which is it can improve communication. Through that, we can ensure that the vision and mission of the organization will be achieved. When everyone in the organization are improving their communication skill in the quality control circle, the work performance among them will be improved as well. For example, the members can meet regularly to identify and find a solution of the problem that they having, and they will make an oral presentation or brainstorming together to solving the problem, so that they will know problem in the future. That's all from me.
Next, we move to the HR assistant, Aini Fatiha. What is your opinion on our topic today? Is it positive or negative?
Thank you, Chairperson. I, as a HR Assistant Manager, want to describe more about the Quality Control Circle. I have a positive opinion on our topic today. My point of departure is that Quality Control Circles have an advantage in terms improve teamwork. Teamwork happens when people cooperate and use their individual skills to achieve common goals. Improving teamwork is less about doing that literally than it is about establishing the outcome you are trying to improve. Firstly, begin by describing what each employee is supposed to accomplish. Then, explain expectation in terms of the outcome the employee need to achieve to reach team goals and outline quality standard for each task or function in the team. Finally, know the strengths of your team members and help them learn their strengths. Also, we should give each person time to self-reflect and consider what they do best, what get is the way of the excellent, what they constantly deliver, and so on. Now we have clear goals, everyone on the same page for standard of excellence, and the right people in the right roles performing the task. Thank you.
Thank you for the point, Aini. I really wonder, is it only positive side of quality circle? Do you think that it is also have negative side of quality circle? Huda Sabila?
Thank you to the moderator for giving me a chance to join this forum today. Assalamualaikum and good morning I bid to all of you. Talking about quality control circle. Quality is not an act, it is a habit. This is one of the famous quotes from Aristotle that explain about quality always must have to be practiced and it will become a habit, and eventually everything we do will become of the highest quality. Once quality is a habit, it can be showcased, it will be measured, and it will become natural. Despite of many advantages of quality control circle, they also have failed in many organizations. Today, I am going to talk about one of the disadvantages of quality control circle, and it is about negative attitude of employee in organization. People with negative attitudes such as, why should I help my company? Why should I support my company? Are also a major impediment to the smooth operation of quality control circles. Many people believe that their business is special and they shut down effort and new ideas to increase the company's efficiency and productivity. Negative attitude is not just bad for organization, but it is also bad for every kind of situation, because it will make the good situation become worse, and it will affect another or other people in that situation. For example that I can give here is, operator in a factory. Every day, operator will be pushed to their work and reach the target. Let's say today the factory have to produce 80 pieces of output in 8 hours, so that all the operator in every department have to reach the target. And as we all know, there will be QC who are responsible to monitor the work done by the operator and to make sure the productivity reach the quality of the factory want. But the problem is when some operator are unable to accept reprimands or the proper manner taught by the QC, it will cause a problem in organization. Yeah, because when the operator cannot follow the proper SOP of the factory, there will be a problem in at the end of the productivity. So this is because the operator think that why I have to follow the proper way while I can get the job done quickly without any problem. This negative attitude will be obstacle in doing the job well. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Your explanation really impressed me. That was a lot of input. Now we need to listen from another panel, which is Aidil Zulfahmi, about his thought on quality control circle.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Aidil Zulfahmi working in HR department. I would like to describe one of disadvantages of the quality control loop, namely the failure to hire consulting employees. Failure to hire consultant is when your team is not so confident that the decision made to hire consultant will be successful. The entire agreement or compromise you have to with the consultant may not be productive. However, the company representative and you will be responsible for reviewing or approving some of the consultant duty. It is very important for everyone on your team to have an idea to get service of the consultant. And it is also up to you to convince everyone in your team and company, from executive to intern, that your decision to hire consultant will be favorable situation for everyone. To make consultant project success, you need to know exactly why you want to hire consultant. It is because you want to fill the skill gap. It is because you want to get temporary support for a short-term project. Whatever the reason, it is very important for you to know the entire team, for you and your entire team to be in the same situation. Everyone in the company should see an advantage in bringing a consultant. In fact, you should explain the advantage of each department working with consultant in detail, such as telling your employees that their workload will be reduced if the consultant come in and launch the operational process, and this will make your employees agree, and it also benefit to your own company. So that's all from me. Thank you.
That was a good point. Could you please tell us your experience on becoming an internship? How does quality control circle affect you during your internship period?
Assalamualaikum everyone. As an internship student, I also have my own thought. I think one of the disadvantages of quality control circles is lack of management support. I ever experienced lack of management support toward quality control circle is demonstrated by not permitting the members to hold QC meetings during the working hours. Therefore, the top management should permit the members to hold QC meetings periodically during working hours, preferably at the end of the day. Management should also extend all required and timely assistance for the smooth functioning of quality control circles. A quality control circles in a company can fail if include rejection of the concept by the top management, uncertainties caused by redundancies and company restructuring, labor turnover, lack of cooperation from middle and first-line management, failure by circle leaders to find enough time to organize meetings, and circle running out of projects to tackle. Without circle members, the program cannot exist. They are lifeblood of quality control circles. They should attend all meetings as far as possible, offer suggestions and ideas, participate actively in group process, and take training seriously with a receptive attitude. That's all from me. Thank you.
Last but not least, our last panel, Muhammad Shazwan. Have you ever experienced bad side of quality control circle, as Mirza Fatiha mentioned before?
Assalamualaikum everyone. First of all, thank you to our chairperson for the question. Yes, I do have also experienced the bad side of quality control circle. Prior to that, I want to say something before I continue with my point. A business who want to progress and success, they need to know ability of their employees. This action should be addressed by the company's superior, as it can help the ability of an employer with the work that suits their capabilities. In addition, improvement according to employer capabilities can help rise the company's sales productivity, because of comfort when doing a work can boost the spirit of workers. Okay. If an employer does not have an ability or no experience, the company needs to provide appropriate education or something training to their workers. The concept of quality for the circle promote employer participation, as well as promoting teamwork and motivating people to contribute towards the effectiveness of the organization through the involvement of the group. The concept also has its own weakness, where the weaknesses make this concept not many industry use. The relatively significant weakness is lack of capacity, where this concept has a harsh impact on employers who have no experience, and ability to make job. The action has a great impact on employment and productive work. For example, employees in India have a low level of education. They also have no leadership qualities. To overcome this obstacle, the employer education program needs to be started. Not the same as the situation in Japan, as they have the nature of learning something quickly and has a higher discipline that cause this concept to be implemented in Japan. That's all for me.
You have a good point as well, Shazwan. Thank you for that. Finally, we have come to the end of our forum for today, where we have shared a lot of knowledge which we don't even know before. I would like to say that quality control circle can be practiced if everyone are working together and do their job very well. If not, the quality circle control just will be a burden for everyone. For the last word from me, I would like to thank again to all ladies and gentlemen for today, and also to our panels. A billion thanks I dedicate to everyone for cheering up this forum for today. See you again on the other issues. Thank you.